Hi, my name is Chris Stoddard. I am a Dare Extension Master Gardener Volunteer. We are continuing the series on plants that survive and thrive on the Outer Banks with Delosperma, also known as ice plant. Now, the Outer Banks is a unique area, and we are classified as being in the plant hardiness zone 8, which means our average minimum temperature is about 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. But all areas of the Outer Banks are not the same. There is a wide variation of growing conditions which affect the types of plants that will survive. We have many pockets of microclimates from Kerala to the main area to Roanoke Island. Also, the character and habitat of our area varies greatly from the ocean front to the sound side to the mainland. Just because a plant does well in one area does not mean it will do well everywhere on the Outer Banks. Master gardeners throughout the Outer Banks have found many plants that do well here. Delosperma is one of them. Delosperma is commonly called ice plant because the foliage is covered with transparent flakes that somewhat resemble tiny pieces of ice. It forms a low-growing mat and spreads rapidly. It does best in full sun and well-drained soil. It prefers our sandy or gravelly soils and does not survive in clay soils. It loves the heat. It is semi-evergreen over the winter in zones 6 through 9, and it is perfect for xeriscape or water-wise landscapes because its water requirements are very low. Water it sparingly during the growing season. In fact, this is the reason many Delosperma will die, because they are overwatered. I've killed some too many times with too much overwatering. Mulching with gravel will help keep the base of the plant dry. You should withhold water in the fall to harden off plants for winter. It is moderately salt tolerant, so it survives quite well near the beach. It also has no serious insect or disease problems, as sometimes the aphids and mealybugs may visit it. Now, Delosperma cooperi, sometimes called the purple ice plant, it spreads quickly to about 2 feet across. It is hardy to 0 degrees Fahrenheit if protected by snow or mulch. It is the most common ice plant sold. The next one, hardy yellow, blooms in late spring, and this one is very cold hardy, surviving to a minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Fire spinner. Now, this is one of the hybrids, and they're just beautiful. They all make excellent ground covers and are becoming more cold tolerant. Fire spinner here is an example. Elba is a white version. Now, gold nugget begins blooming from early summer to late fall. It can grow up to 9 inches tall. The foliage turns red in the winter. Then you have red mountain. It forms a neat carpet, only growing 2 to 4 inches high. The summer flowers are pinkish red, fading to a bronze with creamy white centers. Now, the tufted ice plant, I can't pronounce it, it's such a long name, grows only to about a ½ inch tall and 8 inches wide. It looks great in containers and just along the borders in rock gardens. Floribunda Starburst has lilac pink blooms with a central white eye. It flowers from summer to fall. You have Delosperma ashtoni, which has dark lavender pink flowers with yellow centers that bloom over a long period during the summer. And then, of course, there's lavender ice, one of the many hybrids. Oh, I couldn't resist. Just two more of the amazing colors of Delosperma, Fire Wonder and Jewel of the Desert. They look beautiful in mass through a rock garden. Now, there are some great varieties of Delosperma, but be sure you choose ones that are fit for Zone 8. Some of these succulents are more appropriate for zones 9 through 10. Now, this is a great plant for the hard area that gets full sun and little water. It is a plant that, once established, needs little care and gives you lots of beautiful, beautiful blooms. So give Delosperma a try in those dry, hot areas. If you would like more information on Delosperma or any plants that do well on the Outer Banks, or if you have a gardening question, call Ask a Master Gardener at 473-4290 or email us at greenlineobx@gmail.com. Thank you for listening.